Good morning, students. So here again I am back with the new topic. In the previous class we have studied about the Chalcolithic age and the Neolithic age. So today we will study the last topic of our chapter, that is the Stone Age. So in the previous three classes we have studied about the Paleolithic age, the Mesolithic age, the Neolithic age and the Chalcolithic age. And last one which we will study today is the Iron Age. Paleo means I have told you old, lithic means a stone, Meso means middle, Neo means new, Chalco means copper. So, hope so you have understood all these topics. So today we will study about the Iron Age. Now student, can you give the answer of one question? That do you use any tools at home? You can name them. Name any iron tools that you know. Okay, so we use iron tools at home in the kitchen. Some utensils are made of iron. It means that in the kitchen our mother use the iron tools. You can have you ever seen the iron tools, the utensils? Some of our utensils are made of iron. Okay children, so today we will learn about tools made during the Iron Age. So that what are the tools, as we have studied in the different Stone Age, there are different types of tools which are used by the early humans. So let's see student that which type of tools are used in the Iron Age. Let's start. The Iron Age had all features of the previous age along with the entry of tools made of iron. It means that इसका मतलब ये है कि जो ये आयरन एज है इसके पास हर वो एक क्वालिटी है, मतलब हर एक वो क्वालिटी जो हम लोग प्रीवियस स्टोन एज में पढ़े हैं. एंड बट इन दिस एज देयर वाज आल्सो द एंट्री ऑफ टूल्स मेड ऑफ आयरन. बट इस एज में, आयरन एज में, जो हम लोग का टूल्स है वो आयरन से भी बने होते हैं. द आयरन एज इन साउथ इंडिया कोइंसाइड विद द मैग्लिथिक बरियल. और जब आयरन एज स्टार्ट हुआ तो उसी टाइम हम लोग साउथ इंडिया में देखें कि वहाँ पे भी मैग्लिथिक बरियल स्टार्ट हुआ. यू कैन सी इन द डायग्राम दैट इट इज़ अ मैग्लिथिक बरियल. नाउ these burial are essentially graved surrounded by the stone. It means that ये burial को मतलब हम लोग को पहले जो कोई भी डेड बरियल मीन्स यू कैन से ऑफ द डेड डिकेन किसी भी चीज़ का, प्लांट, एनिमल, ह्यूमन बीइंग, उसको हम लोग ज़मीन में उसको गाड़ देते थे. उसके बाद उसको ढक करके मिट्टी से और चारों तरफ हम लोग स्टोन लगा देते थे. So they have been reported in large number in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. It means that these have been found in the large number in the states like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and the Maharashtra. Now the Iron Age tools included flat iron axe, sickles, spears, knives, chisels and saucer, all made of iron. So the types of tools which are used during the Iron Age is the sickles. You can see here the sickle which is used by the farmers for the farming purpose. You know the knife, after that spear, after that saucer. These all are made of iron. Now numerous bells made of copper have also been traced to the Iron Age. Now the bells which are made of copper, they have been also traced to, they have been changed to the Iron Age period. You can see here weapons made of iron. Hope so up to here is there no doubt. Now let us read the last paragraph of this chapter. A lot of iron was discovered in burial site in North India too. So it means that in the North India a lot of iron tool, a lot of burial sites were there in the North India of iron. Iron weapons such as spears and arrows have found at excavation in Uttar Pradesh. People may have used these weapons in wars to defeat their enemies. It means that why the people use these weapons, they use these weapons to fight with their enemies. The iron axe might have been used for clearing forests for farming, and these iron axes have been used by the farmer for the farming purpose. Iron farming equipment like sickle and plugs must have been made farming easy during these age, and because of the sickle and the plugs have been made by the farmer very easier, they can do their work in very easy way during this age. With the help of the iron tools, tilting of hard soil become easier, and because of the iron tool, the tilting of the hard soil has also become easier. It means that जो मतलब मिट्टी जो soil एकदम hard रहता था उसको tilt करने के लिए निकालने के लिए we can take the help of the iron tools. Now the efficiency of iron tools in farming left people with enough free time, so they started making ornament of iron. You can also say that as the people started to use the iron tools, and because of that there has been the work can be done easily by all the people within a few hours. So the time which are left for them, they have started to make the ornament which is made of the iron. You can say that ornament means small decorative object. उन लोग ने छोटे छोटे ऑब्जेक्ट बनाने लगा ताकि उन लोग अपने मतलब कोई भी चीज़ को डेकोरेट कर सके. The pottery during this time was painted in grey. As we have studied in the Chalcolithic that the pottery was painted in red and black. In the same case, in the Iron Age, the pottery was painted in the grey color. Hope so. Is there? No doubt. Now children, can you give me the difference between what were the tools made during the Iron Age and how were they different from the Stone Age tool? So let's see here that what is the difference between the Iron Age tool and the Stone Age tool. Look here. Now see the difference that the Iron Age tool, it was made up of iron. The tools were made up of stone, and the tools which are made of iron, they are easy to use. People can use very easily because they have the lightweight. But the stone tools, they are much heavier and it is difficult for the people to use. Now can be molded in different shape. As you can see in the kitchen that there are different utensils which are made up of iron, and all of them have the different shape, so it can be given different shape. But the Stone Age tool, they cannot be given different shape. Hope so you have understood up to here. Thank you. I will be again back again in the next class with the new topic and with the new block. Thank you children.